came early this year. Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm in my mom's room and I'm doing an unboxing video because I stream on Twitch and I made a Amazon wish list and I was fortunate enough to get pretty much everything that I asked for, which is very fucking weird, but let's get to it. But before I continue, I want to thank the person that got me all of this. I appreciate the support. I don't want to mention their name because I don't know if it was okay to mention their name or not, so I am not going to mention it, but I'm going to open the gifts that they got me. So first things first, I'm going to open this box. Also, don't mind the noise. My mom is watching a movie. So let's open this. Oh shit! Okay, so the first item I got were these ankle straps for the gym, which I actually do need because I don't have any ankle straps, and the gym doesn't have any ankle straps, so I got that. And then I got some Crocs, my Crocs. They're like a beige color, which is awesome. I'm gonna be wearing this literally anytime I can. Cool. Sorry, I'm reading the little notes. Cute. Alright, next box. Or I'm gonna do a bag. It doesn't have my address, so I'm gonna try. Oh, this is a jacket. Workout jacket. Cute. Let me see. These are some leggings. Another long sleeve. Cute. It has this like little scrunchy thing on the side. I don't know if you can see. Little ribbons or strings. Got one more. And another pair of leggings that are brown. They have little pockets. Oh wait, not this one. The black ones do. These ones have little pockets. So cute. Nice. Lost my scissors. My mom. I got a yoga mat for the gym because I need a yoga mat for when I do like workouts on the floor. I'm not bare on the floor, so I got a little yoga mat. Awesome. I got a cool little cute French press because I've been wanting one because I love coffee and I wanted a French press so I wouldn't spend my money on Starbucks all the time. And now bag that I wanted. It's so cute. It has a little bag for it. And this is a gym bag. I'm gonna open it just so you can see. It looks like this. You can put your shoes in here, and it has little pockets everywhere. It's so cute. It's bigger than I thought it was gonna be. It comes with these little straps, so you can strap it rather than just carry it with a handle. It's super cute, and yeah, it has a little pocket inside. I'm gonna put all the items in the description box in case you guys, want to buy one or whatever. You want to see what I got as well. This is, this is for my bunny, little thumpers, which I haven't introduced in my channel yet. My parents are talking. Do you hear them? I'm sorry. So this is like a little mat for my bunny. I'm gonna put his food in here so he can just look around rather than just eat him off the floor, and he could just, dig around the little, I don't even know what this is, like this little thing. Oh, and some OxyShred. I actually take this supplement every time every morning, I mean. I take 1 scoop a day. It's awesome. Love OxyShred. Put that in the link as well. And then I got one more box. This is the last box. This is more treats for my baby, little Thumpy. And a little Lego set that I actually been wanting, but I just haven't bought it. So yeah, it's a cute little floral set, which I'm gonna be doing. It's a little succulent. I've been wanting plants, but I just haven't bought any plants. Hopefully soon I will have a plant. And last but not least, these little gibbets. They're so cute. They're little horror themed, like Michael Myers. Let me get closer with all my stuff. All right, so little Michael Myers, another Michael Myers. There's so many of them. Michael Myers. Nightmare Before Christmas, Jack Skellington. Scream. This is little Chucky. Another little Chucky. This one, Michael Myers. This one, it says Slay Boy. Cute. This one is Freddy Krueger. Just do it, Michael Myers. This is Scream again. So cute. This one says Dairy and Scary. And shoot, I forgot his name. But it's this guy. I forgot his name, I'm sorry. Big fan. This is Scream. What's his name? Jason? Scream again. This one is It. This one is the Saw guy. I forgot his name. Sorry. Big fan. Because I don't really watch his movies. And then You Will Float too. So that's literally everything that I got. Again, I want to thank the person that got me all these gifts. I really do appreciate it so much. I'm gonna be putting everything that I got in the description in case you guys want to see more close, or if you guys want the stuff that I got as well. Make sure you guys support my Twitch channel. I will be streaming. I typically stream Overwatch. I do try to play other games, but right now it's mainly Overwatch. If you guys want to support, that'd be awesome. Make sure you guys follow my TikTok. I be posting on TikTok all the time. I mostly troll, so yeah. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time.